partial, but I had no reason to think it partial. It wasn't information that it was until I saw it. I brought up knee replacement. I don't think it's on YouTube or anywhere. I don't think I saw partials. Before it never occurred to me. So that's a good option. It's funny when I told the guy just first thing ever, it's just wow, what would be able to do? Would you be able to still work? I said, yeah, you're better. This is all you're fine. That was one of my main concerns. And even when I can do weights on legs, yeah. But they're not, to a good weight. I can't overextend like before. And the flexing will be better too. I'm talking about flexing since it's only partial. By flexing, angles, I can, even my sides. Whereas full knee replacement, I can't get full side and full flexing on lateral.